Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group on Facebook. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. You open the Facebook app and then at the bottom of the page you click on menu. After that, at the top of the page you click on groups. And then at the top of the page you click on the plus icon and then choose create a group. In this section you can add a name and you can select a privacy. Now I click on public and you click on done. After that you can click on create group and your group will be done. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!